Okay, this is my video of a possible defect in the orange transmitter module that I bought for my TH9X. There's the module. I believe that the elevator and the throttle signals are swapped on this module. For testing, I've got a regular DX5E spectrum transmitter that I normally use with the orangetx receivers. So I'm going to bind this new receiver with my DX5E to show normal operation. You'll notice my ESC is the ESC wire is plugged into the standard throttle port, and then two servos into the elevator and aileron and my bind plug. So I'm going to plug the battery in. See, it's flashing, normal bind, bind switch. Okay, it's bound. Take the bind plug out, and you'll see that my elevators are working as they should. Throttle is working as it should. Alright, I'm going to unplug the battery. Turn off this transmitter. Put the bind plug back in here. And now I'm going to bind it to my 9X with the orange transmitter module. Bind plug, I have not moved any of my servo connectors or ESC connections. I'm going to re-plug the battery. It is back in bind mode. Going to hit the bind button on the back here and turn it on. Holding down the bind button. Okay, it is bound. Take out the bind plug. Now, you'll notice my servo on the left is completely pushed down, and my throttle controls it for some reason. This is still basically telling me that it's not connecting the motor. If I were to okay, well, it's in some sort of ESC mode, but it's definitely not controlling both servos because my throttle controls it. So, unplug, turn off. And just so you'll know, it's not the 9X that is the problem. I've got my old Fly Sky module here, or receiver. I'm going to plug this into my plane normally. Apologize for it going black. I have to put my phone down. Okay. I've got my ESC hooked to my channel 3, which is the FlySky version, with my other two servos on channels 1 and 2. Going to take the orange module out and plug my old FlySky module. Alright, so I swapped them out. This is already bound to my FlySky module, so I'm okay. I had to edit there because I got a phone call, but I'm continuing to test the FlySky module, which is plugged into my 9X. Turn it on. Plug in my battery. Bound. Servos work properly. And throttle works properly.